message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Portage County, northwestern Stark County, Summit County, northeastern Wayne County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 14 miles southwest of North Canton and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, North Canton, Barberton, Hartsville, Mogator, Talmadge, Kent, Cuyahoga Falls. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.